all gone!
If there's anything worse than ladies repeatedly giving you a slap, it's a commode with the last remaining piece of crap.
You fools! This isn't funny. Get him back in here now!
There's no point shouting. He's gone. And he didn't even wash his hands.
Oh, disgusting!
Oh, look, a drunken one. This should be interesting.
Oh, joy. More for me.
Yeah, but why is he walking up and down? I don't know. Usually the drunk don't have much of a frown.
If he's not going to use us, he should just get out.
You know what is wrong with this world today?
I have no idea. Tell me.
A guy like me cannot get a decent girl.
What are you saying?
But tonight, I am going to change that.
How? Tell me how.
I'm going to walk up to that girl and tell her, hey, Lisa.
Listening.
I am your man, and you aren't going to get any better than this. So let's just hit the dance floor and boogie.
Bravo. Bravo.
Yes! I'm going to dance with her. La 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 la. I'm going to tell her, baby, I love you more than all the stars in the sky.
What a moron!
Oh, I need to pee.
Arey, I'm missing the target. Keep on missing. Our Robin Hood is hitting everywhere.
Are you ready?
Ready. Hey, wrong place, wrong place.
You said you were ready, Spiegel.
Oh my God, don't you chew your food, man. He even missed the sink.
Puke, piss, potty and pasting. Ha! I love life. Well said, my brother. There's nothing like a daily dose of humiliation and strife.
What? What is wrong with you? When are you going to do something?
What are you saying? You're a commode. You can't say anything.
What? I don't mean literally speak, Spiegel. I mean when you're going to do something.
You mean move, walk, jump, squat?
Yes, something.
Are you out of your mind? Has all that gas finally driven you insane? We have a code. Movement is forbidden between 1900 hours and 700 hours. We cannot break the rules no matter how ugly it gets.
Thank you, Poindexter. I know the code. But I didn't sign up for this kind of treatment. Now look, for years, we have been abused and mistreated by the carelessness of people who cannot find it within themselves to aim, to flush, to make up their minds, or just be a little patient. Now, I don't know about the rest of you, but I have had enough of this. I will not stand for another day's worth of humiliation or disrespect. I say we fight. We fight for our rights.
Private Lou has spoken. The time has come. Yes, we can. It is the dawn of a new era. The phoenix has risen from its ashes. But what is the plan?
There is no plan. This is a terrible idea. We cannot break the rules.
You know what? You're right. You're not unhappy. Hell, you're extremely content. And you know why? It's because you're a mirror. See, your job is to reflect. But how can you do that when you don't see anything? I've seen all kinds of shit in my life.
That's not fair. That is not fair. Yes, I'm not as depressed about life as you are, but I have problems too. Being a mirror isn't all easy, you know. I get to see more than you think.
Not more than HD.
Oh, shut up. I get to see the most insensitive people. I see people rant to me about how they have nothing when they have everything. But worst of all, I see vanity. So much of it makes me sick.
So then why don't you do something about it?
Fight, rebel, seize, conquer.
But what do we do and how do we do it?
Don't stand back. It's as simple as that. Quite literally.
Now look, if you're fed up with the rants and you're tired of the vanity, now is your time. Show them what you really see.
Well, that won't be pretty.
That's the point. Godspeed.
Did you see that Rajiv was flirting with you so much? I know, I feel like so good right now. And did you see the expression on Neha's face? Fabulous! Oh my god, this is so exciting! Girls, you know what we should do, right? Right, duh. Picture time, ladies. Thoughts ready?
Beautiful ladies. But what is that in the right cheek? Is that what I think it is? Is that a pimple?
I've got a pimple! Gross! Oh my god, no you don't. You can barely notice it, babe. No, pose quietly.
Hello. What's that under your arm? Wax much?
Nothing. I thought it's timing this instead.
Oh, how smart of you, darling. I forgot to mention though. The three of you look fat.
You know what? I think we should just remember this moment. Let's not take a picture. Alright. Exactly. In fact, let's just take a mental picture.
That felt amazing. I can't wait to do that again.
That was impressive, Spiegel. But that's not what Private Lou had in mind. Yes, we are thinking of a punishment of another kind.
The twins are right. What you did was just the beginning.
Just the beginning?
Yes, tip of the iceberg, lad.
What I did was perfect. I taught them a lesson and I didn't break the rules of the code.
Spiegel, hang